In a bid to ensure proper waste disposal at the largest traditional market of the state, the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council (Khadc) yesterday released a dedicated garbage truck for collection of waste from Iewduh on Wednesday. The chief executive member of the council, Khadc Singh's aim, handed over the truck to the office of the Same of Malay. Speaking on the occasion, the Khadc CEM said that they decided to hand over the garbage truck to the office of the Same of Malay since they are the entity concerned with the cleanliness of Iewduh market. It may be mentioned that the garbage truck was donated through the funds provided from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund.
Kini katrot hadir mengilayu berwan inspection ngalafun yung Chief Minister long ladun kam ban ai kempang ni ka scheme nam taban thiet ini katrot nam taban weng ni jing e kham tam hoi le ka khu ka suba hang ne po Iewduh na kadang Chief Minister da kaban sim ka bakuloi bar ka bakamen la kun pau hatu ka ski bangi kran ban na kadang jing ai ka weng katrot.